Before our departure, may we have your attention while cabin crew point out the safety features on board this Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle, as cabin crew are now demonstrating. To secure seatbelt, pull on the loose end of the strap. To open, lift the buckle cover, which should be faced away from you. In the event of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks like these will fall automatically from the panel above your head. Pull the mask down sharply, cover with your mouth and nose, and secure it with the elastic strap. And please breathe normally, as cabin crew are now demonstrating. Only when you have secured your own mask should you attend to children and other passengers. On board this aircraft there are 6 emergency exits, 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, left and right, 2 doors at the front of the cabin, left and right. There are 2 window exits at the center of the cabin, left and right. All exits are clearly marked. Please take a moment now to ensure exits nearest to you. Bearing in mind the nearest exit may be behind you. For your safety, there is a life jacket stowed in a pocket underneath your seat. When instructed, remove the jacket from its pocket. Place the jacket over your head. Bring the strap to the side of the jacket. Clip and pull the strap tightly to secure it around your waist. To inflate the life jacket, pull the red toggle down sharply. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation, a whistle to attract attention, and a light which comes on automatically once in contact with water. The life jacket must not be inflated until you are outside the aircraft. Infant life jackets and baby survival cots are also available.
Alflex 61 SRS, redouillage bleu, vérifiez. C'est disponible. Progression. Runway. Ouais. On fait dérouler. Stationner seul. Ligne 330.
Aterrizar.
Aterrizar 05 derecha, Manchester 783.
Approaching minimums.
Hola, buenas noches, 01349.
Minimums.
Localizado 5 derecha. Continúa aproximación 5 derecha, viento calma, 30-36 centímetros.
Viento ahora del 311 con 7 nudos. Entramos por la izquierda. $50. 30. 10.
Aeroméxico 5215 izquierda, autorizado el despegue, 25 en el aire, viento calma.
Autorizado el despegue de 25 en el aire, Aeroméxico 521, gracias, buen turno.
Bien. UPS 321, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 05 left, UPS 321.
Charter 783, desalo que por la izquierda mantenga antes de la pista 5 izquierda.
Desalojamos por la izquierda, mantenemos antes de 5 izquierda, Charter 783. 60 knots.
Ajustado hasta que el avión y sus motores se hayan detenido por completo en el edificio terminal. La puerta principal haya sido abierta y el capitán haya apagado la luz luminosa de los cinturones. Asimismo, queremos...
Torre México, buenas noches, costado